Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Nissan Qashqai. This vehicle has a lovely large panoramic glass roof, 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows. There's front and rear parking sensors with a 360-degree camera system. Now inside the car, the touchscreen has sat-nav, DAB digital radio, CD player, there's Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. Happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's using our click and collect service, our home delivery service, or just arranging an appointment to come and view the vehicle. We hope to see you soon. Thank you.